Today I'll show you how to change the background color of your HTML page using internal CSS. Plus I'll share some useful web design tips to enhance your skills. Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening the style tag inside your head section. This is where we'll write our CSS. We'll target the body tag to change the background color of the entire page. Use the background color property to set your color. Refresh your page, and the background color is now changed. If you want more precision, hexadecimal codes are the way to go. The hex code consists of 6 digits. The first 2 represent red, the middle 2 green, and the last 2 represent blue. Combining colors can create various shades. For a gray color, use the same value for all 3 channels. Increasing the value will make the gray lighter. Now let's talk about CSS specifically. Inline CSS will always override other styles. For example, you can add the style attribute directly into an HTML element. It will override any other styles. You can apply background colors to individual HTML elements as well. For instance, changing the background of a header or a paragraph tag. Try experimenting with gradients and background images to add more depth to your design. Here we're defining the direction of the gradient, the starting color, and the ending color. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.